I wanted to come on here real quick to do a length check. I'm actually about to color my hair. I just finished washing it. Sorry, I just finished washing it. So let me see. I had recorded one for October for 9 months, but I don't know where it is, and I'm not about to look for it. So that's the front. Comes to like about here. This is what, 10 months after I did my big chop. It's about like right here. And the other side, it's about the same. And there's the back. It's about there. And then that's that one. And then I guess the top of my head, I don't know, comes about there. Alright, so that's it. We'll talk to you good people later. Peace.